Imagine a company that has been building bridges and railways across India for decades, one of the largest and most respected construction companies in the country. Ircon International Limited is more than just a builder, it's a game changer. It provides everything from new railway lines to rehabilitation and conversion projects, and even offers services like leasing locomotives and setting up production units on a turnkey basis. The company has been around since 1976, when it was formed by the Indian government as part of a massive infrastructure development program. Today, Ircon International Limited is one of the largest private sector companies in India, with operations across several countries including Algeria, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Brazil, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Liberia, Malaysia, Mozambique, Myanmar, Nepal, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Turkey, the United Kingdom, and Zambia. The company's success can be attributed to its diverse range of projects, from building roads and highways to constructing bridges and flyovers. Ircon International Limited has also made significant investments in renewable energy, including solar power plants and distribution networks. One of the most impressive aspects of Ircon International Limited is its ability to provide a wide range of services beyond just construction. The company offers turnkey project management services, including design, supply, erection, testing, and commissioning. It's also known for its innovative solutions, such as providing railway electrification works, industrial workshop facilities, and high-speed passenger cars. The company's financial performance is no surprise, it has consistently delivered strong returns on investment, with a dividend yield of 1.86%, making it an attractive option for investors. Ircon International Limited's market capitalization stands at around $177 million, which is a testament to its stability and growth potential. But what really sets Ircon International Limited apart from other companies in the industry is its commitment to innovation. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, with significant focus on renewable energy solutions, advanced materials, and sustainable construction practices. So, why are investors so interested in this company? For one thing, Ircon International Limited's diversified revenue streams make it less vulnerable to economic downturns. Additionally, the company's strong financial performance and consistent dividend payments make it an attractive option for income-seeking investors. The question on everyone's mind is, what's next for Ircon International Limited? Will it continue to expand its operations in emerging markets or focus on more established sectors like renewable energy? Whatever the future holds, one thing is certain, this company will remain a major player in the Indian construction sector for years to come. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.